Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everybody, today we're going to go over black restoration. So we're going to go around our black trim here and we're going to apply this coat to it so we can get that back to what its original state is. So we're going to end up applying just a little bit here. Fold it in. Make sure you get into all the small nooks. You don't want anything sticking out because this is going to take it to a nice strong finish. So once you get the major parts, you want to get into the finer detailing here on our lower grill portion. Make sure to get the middle rungs. Any hard to reach places, the good thing about the applicator pad is it's pretty pliable, giving you a lot of leverage to get into some of those hard to reach places. If for some reason you get any on our paint here, what you want to do is try to get that off as soon as you can. And utilize a towel.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.